Hello, my name's Paul. I'm from London. This is my pride and joy, my Giant Anthem. I've always had mountain bikes because I'm from the countryside, so I used to go mountain biking with my friends. And then obviously with the Swytch kit on the back, the first experience was like, it was something else. I felt like turbocharged. As crazy as that sounds, yeah. So the way it works is you have this thing here called the pedal assist system. It's like a disc here and it has a magnet and it has like a sensor. And basically when the pedal then turns, it then sends a signal to the battery pack, which you can either have on the front or on the back. And then that then sends a signal to the main big beast, which is the front wheel. So. And that's basically showing your amount of battery that you've got and what setting it's on. I've actually got an additional one which is twice the distance and it fits on exactly the same as the previous one. I was one of the first set of people that had the very first battery, and I had my headphones on, but you can see me going, like, wow, is that a Swytch bike? And I was just like, yeah, because oh my God, how is it? I was like, really good. Off I go. Everybody always asks about the price. They always ask about the whether it's worth the money. As I've said, and I've said from the very first day, like it literally is worth every penny. I think actually I can think of a few places it would look good on the bike. I think it would probably have quite a bit of power on it. I think it is a really good piece of equipment. It's probably the best battery that you bought out so far, and I think it's 4 times as powerful. I love it, absolutely love it. Can I have this one? Well, I'm going to take it anyway. So.